Mob James mentioned Lip Dog and Trayvon multiple times, but these guys are not in your paperwork from your case. What do you think James keeps? Why do you think James keeps mentioning that? Like he said, Lip Dog was mad at him. He said he's seen Lip Dog and Trayvon several times. They didn't say nothing to him.
I believe Trey spoke to him for a minute about it. Trey said something to a certain degree. You know what I mean? What he said and how he said it, I don't know, but I know for sure Trey spoke with him about it. You know what I mean? Um, I don't know about him and his interaction with Lip Dog, but at the end of the day, I'm not gonna sit here and say Mob James lying about everything he say. You know what I mean? Mob James said he go through his neighborhood, niggas be like, "What's up, big homie? What's up, OG? What's up?" I mean, I can't sit here and say he lying about that. You know what I mean? You know, and I don't know what if he seen Lip Dog, what they interaction was,
Right, right.
But I did know Trey spoke to him about it, but I don't know how that worked out. You know what I mean?
I heard in your interview with Street TV that you said that you feel like you should have took it to trial. Why is that?
Mhm. Well, I said that in a way to meaning that um, maybe he wouldn't have showed up.
Mm,
Maybe he would have denied showing up, and that could have helped my case. You get what I'm saying? So, like I said, that was my first interview with Street TV. I didn't know people actually went in there and picked and choose and dissected and really read the paperwork. That
yeah.
was my first interview. It's like, because you'd heard a guy say, well, listen, man, you say you got out on the left side of the truck at 11:12, but the paperwork said 11:15. I mean, they was technical about every
Yeah.
little thing, you know what I mean? And I was just telling my story. You know what I mean? So had I knew they were so technical about every single thing, maybe I would have tightened it up a little bit. But I mean, this was a long time ago, AG. You ain't gonna remember every single, you remember the facts,
Mm.
but you ain't gonna remember every single what kind of shoes you had on, when this incident happened and shit like that. You know what I mean?
Mhm. I might get a little technical here, but let me ask you this. Let's say you did take it to trial. Don't they subpoena him to testify? Like, how does that work? Like, does he? Is it on him? Is it on the FBI? Like, how does that whole thing work?
Oh no, they would have pressed him. After you
Okay.
wear a wire and do all this stuff for the work, you ain't just finna say I ain't finna do something. Shit, they gonna hammer your ass. They gonna be no, your ass gonna be here. You know what I
Yeah.
mean? And he would have been there. Now the thing about it, what I can say is this though, which I have heard from homies who had their accuser come testify against him. The feds will close that whole courtroom down, kick everybody out that motherfucker, and then just have the guy so no won't nobody else see. You know what I mean? It's not like the state where you got your whole family, cousins, friends, your homeboys in court. The feds will kick all you motherfuckers out of court and let the informant come in and do his thing. You know what I mean? So the public won't see it per se, and it's back again, still your word against theirs. But the only thing about that, it will be in the trial transcripts. You know what I mean? So he wouldn't have been able to get around that, the trial transcripts part. You know what I mean?
Okay, I see. I see. So, but if he would have took the stand, obviously, it would have been.
Oh, no doubt. His name would have been right there, said everything he said. You can't escape those. You know what I mean? But at the end of the day, you go to trial, AG, and the feds say if they offer you 10, you turn it down and go to trial. Oh, you coming out 17, 18, 19 years. You know what I
Yeah.
mean? They're gonna, it costs $500,000 in most of these cases to go to trial in the feds. You know what I mean? So you're gonna pay for wasting their money when you knew you was guilty in the first place. That's how the feds treat it. You know what I mean?
Right. Right.
Yeah. You gonna pay, bro.
Yeah, I understand.